All right, Will, what is it? You want to hit me with something? I can feel it. I feel the vibes coming over there, and we're getting to that point where you just hit me with the thing. So what do you got?
Just got a question.
You're jumping out of your seat over there.
Hey, guys. Greetings from Indonesia. My question for you is, if you can travel back in time to
Didn't we do this already, Will?
No.
Okay, we're going only back.
And this is a moment, in a historic moment.
Oh, okay.
What would you do? What would you want to see?
So a specific moment in time. I had to pick a minute, pick an hour.
Mm-hmm.
Wow.
Let's just say an hour. Just an hour of your time.
I got to pick an hour of my time. Go to a specific moment. You see, to come up with these off the top of your head.
Doesn't have to be.
And you got to nail the exact moment in history. Well, we were just talking about asteroids. We were just talking about asteroids. I want the space. I want the space race, baby. I want Neil Armstrong landing on the moon. I want to be sitting. I want to be sitting around a terrible looking TV with an ice cream cone. You understand? And I want to see that footage being broadcast when it came out. I want to see the flag standing there all stiff. I want to feel what that's like to go, damn, this thing is bigger. You know? But I want to be a kid at that moment too, because then I'm optimistic. It's all open-mindedness. There's no problems. I can experience it freely. I'm gonna be like 10 years old.
So you believe in that?
Oh my God. How dare you? This is why you brought up this question. You knew I'd go that path, and then you go that path, and all of a sudden we're looking at footage here, and we're talking about Stanley Kubrick and everything else. No, we're not going down that path, Will. That's where I'm going to be. I want to see that happen live. I want to feel the scale. That's why Elon Musk is all obsessed. Mm-hmm. You know, we didn't have a chance to really feel what that was. That's a different type of. That exploration is like everything. It's the origin. It's what's out there. It's human exploration. Like I think about that sometimes too when they started to explore and hop on those ships and look for new land and they thought the earth was flat. That's what?
Yeah.
Coming up on some landmass? Mm-hmm. Yeah, let's check that out. Let's check that out. Oh, what is this thing? That's a coffee bean? Check that out. You see that? Mm-hmm. Incredible. What that time would have been like? Electric. When that flag goes into the moon, electric. Willie do. Yeah. So, anyway, we're alive right now, and this is a time in and of itself. Mm-hmm. So what a time, as I said previously, to be alive, because we are alive. And if you're alive right now, you are too.